Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Chris, and today we're doing a review of something a little bit different. It's going to take care of some audio needs for some people. You might remember my review of the Xvive U3. Xvive U3 right here. Bam, bam, bam. These things are awesome. Great for jumping speakers, getting a signal from one speaker to another, like down the hallway a little bit, 50 feet away, no cable. Nice for a microphone. I use this for a microphone all the time, and I can't live without it. My good friends at Xvive sent me something new. Do you ever think that you have those old speakers and you'd love to put one in the corner and send some Bluetooth to it? Not an easy solution. Maybe there is, but now there's an easier one. And it is this right here, the P3D from Xvive. This is Bluetooth audio receiver, just as it states right there on the box. And it works up to about 100 feet away, line of sight. So it says, we'll test it out. And you not only get one, you can get one for mono, but you can get two. And these will sync together to give you a stereo pair. So you can put this in the back of both your speakers, your whole actual setup. You can put it in a mixer. So if you have a mixer behind you and you want to stream some crap from your phone, you can do that. All right, so to make Bluetooth easier from your phone, from your iPad, your regular pad, whatever, this is an easy option. So I'm going to show you these right now. What we have here is, you know what's really funny is that I shot this whole video and my mic wasn't working. So I'm doing it again. So if I'm going fast, that's why. But a lot of you might like that because I go too slow too often. So what do we have? We have up to 6 hours of life. It takes 2 hours to charge these things. And what we're going to do is take a quick look in the box. Droppy. USB-C cables. USB-C, USB-C. You're going to like that. There are two of them. I've already misplaced one. What are you going to do? And you have your instruction manual, which I'm not going to show you because it's an instruction manual. And then you have your two. This is the P3D. They also have another one that's just the one of them, but you're gonna want two because it's cool. All right, so you have two of these. Very simply, you have one switch and two buttons. You have a switch to turn it on. You have a Bluetooth button for pairing, and then you have another one for linking on both units. And then you also, be happy, DJs, be happy, Cleveland Terry, you have USB-C. That's right, USB-C, no complaining. USB-C. So you have that. It takes about 2 hours to charge. You get about 6 hours of life, as stated in the manual. These are line level. You can obviously use one, and it will mono. It'll turn your signal to mono, which works fine. But you can do both and stereo pair them. And I'm going to show you exactly how easy that is to do. I will hook it up with my computer right here, and we will give you a quick demo of that, and then we'll take it outside and also show you from a walk around a venue, the room that I did last week. And then I'm going to add the device. And I'm going to add Bluetooth. We're going to look for it. We're going to go ahead and turn one of these on. So we turn that on. Get a flashy blue light. We're going to add a device. We're going to add a Bluetooth. We're going to add the P3. P3 coming at connected music. Our light went solid. So that's how you connect one. To connect the other, you just crank it on. You're going to have a flashing light. We're going to hit this here till we get a green light, which is under my finger. Yeah, so it's under my finger. And then we're going to do the same thing with this one here so you can see it. The green light, and they should lock up. And again, if you have them plugged into a speaker, they'll go bloop, bloop. Now they are paired stereo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that these are working, and I'm going to come over here, right over here. I'm going to plug these into this QSC Touch Mix, as some people might do, just like so. And then we're going to have them on 7 and 8. I have them panned hard left and hard right. And since they are line level, this is going to be pretty much at 0. It will be at 0. I'm going to start some music. And there's my signal. So they're receiving right from my PC's Bluetooth. And now that you see that, I'm going to stop it. And just a quick Quick shout to let you know that if these were just recently paired with whatever you're pairing with, if you turn it on, it will just automatically pair with the whatever was just on. So you'll see that this is just going to turn blue like right away. It's going to pair right up with my computer. So it just paired up with my PC. And now I'm going to walk you over here. So we're going to plug this guy right in here. I have my volume turned down. This is a pro tip. Don't plug anything in. Make sure your volumes are down. And I'm going to plug this right in here. I'm going to take it in. Shoop. To my lefty loo. Turn it on. Put my line level up a little bit. These up just a little bit because I know I don't need them up very far. Just to get some sound for you. And then let's go press play. There you go. That works well. We're going to take it outside, show you, and there'll be some more clips of it. I'm going to plug one in right here. Oh, there we go. We have one in right here. I'm going to turn that up a little bit. Now we're going to take our next one, and we're going to plug it in right back here. All right. Now that we have that, I do have some, did I turn that volume up? Probably not. No. I do have some, it's just a quick little sound that is not going to get me in any trouble. And since I'm paired, I'm going to give this a shot. And I'm on Bluetooth. I'm going to turn up my volume. And we have nice Bluetooth control from around the room. Check this out. Volume up. Volume was down now. I'm going to put it back up. Nice, 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 nice. I'm not even sure if my mic's picking me up right now, but this thing is killing it from a distance. So it's time to make the neighbors all happy. And what I've got out here is I've got my QSC, I've got a K8, and then I have a Samson wireless speaker. We're going to try to hook these things up and go for a little walk down the street and make everybody really happy around here. So this is what we got. We're going to connect these bad boys. I'm going to turn one on right here. Boop. Looking for P3. Here we go. P3. Pairing. Pair with. Yes, I will. Connected for audio. Boom. All right, so I'm going to plug that one in by itself right over here. One hand. Yeah, one hand. All right, so we have it in here. Sorry for my boring music, but you're going to get what you're going to get because it is copyright free and it won't get struck down. Okay, so I found my music, and now let's go for a little walk here and check this out in the sunshine. Music on. Now, take into consideration, or maybe not, but the receiver's on the back of the speaker right now. Volume. Oh, I turned off the power. Oh, I started over. Huh. All right, I put it behind my body here, and I broke up. But other than that, right here, sweet. That's pretty far. It's over 100 feet outside. Whew. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna plug one more in, and we're gonna pair them together in stereo and make sure that it all works good. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up here, and it's bright and sunny, it's hard to see, but I'm going to click this stereo link button right here until I get a green light. Green light. Whoop. Turn this sucker on right here, and then until I get a green light. Green lights, make sure they pair up, they should lock. Whoop, locked and got a tone. And so what I have is I have another speaker down here, and I got an amp. Don't go in the hole. And I have this plugged into here. I'm gonna turn this volume up a little bit. I'm gonna turn it up to, yeah, same. Make sure it's on line level because it is plus 4 dB, because it is line level. I'm gonna turn this sucker on. Make sure I have power, and I'm connected. I'm gonna bring this sucker over here. Now, about here is good. All right, let's see what we got going on. So there you have it, Xvive P3 working in stereo. Everything's perfect. So the units are working simultaneously together, and you are getting stereo, and they sound perfect. And as there is a delay from my PC, this is nominal at best. I mean, this is really no delay from the phone. Very minimal. But from the PC, I was getting a lot more delay. So you have a 2-hour charge time. 2-hour charge time, and up to about 6 hours of life. USB-C, and it is line level. And what else can I say? They're awesome. I got to come up with the price. I'm not sure. You guys thought I forgot, didn't you? I did not. I got the price. It's the middle of the night. I'm finishing editing up this video right now. It is June the 1st, and these are coming out today, supposedly on Amazon, so I'll drop a link below if I can find it. But this is the Xvive P3D Bluetooth audio receiver. The P3D is the stereo pair. I think it's just the P3 for the other. Not sure, to be honest with you. But $49.44 for the single, and $89.99 for this pair here. $89.99. It's something you're going to want in your bag. It's a good backup utility to have, nice and easy to use. Pair them up together, put them in your mains, and you have music right from your phone. So awesome. Xvive P3D Bluetooth audio receiver. Check it out.